Hey guys, look what's going on. Snow. And they're talking about a severe winter snowstorm. They're still calling it winter out here in Colorado. I don't know when spring is official out here, but we have some really, really intense summers. It gets very, very hot and dry out here. It's sticking already, you see? I'm so tired of this, guys. I am so tired of this weather, this bad, cold weather out here. You know, I grew up in New England, so, I got a big dose of it growing up. And, I come out to Colorado. I know Colorado is known for their snowy season and all of that. But this is a bit too much, guys. The weather should be improving already, but it's not. It's not. It's cold. It's wet. It's slippery. It's snowy. Look at my car window. See the snow on there? And Rocky, he doesn't want to poop. He's part Chihuahua, so he doesn't really like the cold weather. And I don't blame him. And so I'm trying to encourage him to use the bathroom. He doesn't want to poop. I guess it feels like it takes too long for him. I mean, he did pee. He did pee-pee. But he just does not want to urinate. And I pretty much know his cycle. He goes at least 3 times a day. And I pretty much know when he should be making a poop, and he hasn't made a poop at all. And it's already in the afternoon. It's 1:33 in the afternoon here. So he's probably waiting to get the opportunity to do it inside, which he knows that's a big no-no. But anyway, guys. Oops. So, you see? Look at that. I try to go live. I don't have 500 subscribers yet, so I don't know if they changed their policy about going live, but I can't go live. I don't know why. It's been a long time since I've gone live, so maybe I just forgot the steps of how to do it, but you want to come inside, Rocky? Rocky. You gotta do number 2 out here, okay? You wanna come inside, doggy? Let me let Rocky in before someone says that's being cruel. Come on. There you go. We're sitting in the car. This is our place right here.